just a pumpkin pie. And it isn't just a tiramisu, it's both, layered together into the ultimate fall dessert. And it all starts with the flavor booster, this pumpkin sauce. It's quick to cook, but it's what transformed this tiramisu from creamy to unforgettable. Now set it aside to cool and we are ready for the next layer. This cream is the heart of the tiramisu, rich mascarpone, real pumpkin and spice. It's lighter than pumpkin pie but with all the same cozy flavor. Oops, I forgot to show you the sugar, but trust me, it's in there. The trick is to keep it fluffy. You want a mousse-like cream that holds its shape but still melts in your mouth. This is the layer that makes it feel like fall with every bite. And now for the soak. A strong coffee with just a touch of sweetness and spice. Now it's assembling time. This is where it all comes together. Coffee-soaked ladyfingers go in first. A quick dip so they stay soft but don't fall apart. Then a layer of pumpkin sauce, the flavor booster that we made earlier. This makes this dessert stand out. Followed by the pumpkin mascarpone cream. And we just keep repeating those layers until the pan is full. Okay, now this goes in the fridge overnight, so by tomorrow the flavors are set and it cuts way cleaner. Just before serving, we like to top it with whipped cream dollops. Then, a dusting of cocoa mixed with pumpkin spice. Simple, but it makes it look festive and ready for the holidays.